Stay tuned to see how I created this unicorn paper towel holder. I'm starting with using my casting material. I'll be using Perfect Cast. I believe that I got this either from Walmart or Amazon, but you can find it at either place. And I'm mixing it with just some regular bottled water. Now, in my opinion, when I was doing this, I would definitely suggest that you have it a little more on the thicker side, because that will help the rods and the dowels stick into the cement a lot better the thicker it is. So here you see me just adding more of the casting material, adding more water and stirring until I got the consistency that I was looking for, and it was kind of like a really thick pudding by the time I got done adding all of the materials together and stirring. So I can't give you guys exact ratios, but definitely eyeball it and get the consistency that you're looking for. Now it's time to decorate. I am using a mixture of white stones, green pebbles to one side of the paper towel holder because I want everything to secure fully in the casting material. And then I'm using 2 of the rods because I did not have just one thick one. And of course we're going to add glitter because you know we have to have our sparkle. And I'm just stirring that around and mixing it into the casting material using a wooden stirrer and making sure that the unicorn stands up straight. You see me struggling. I ended up going ahead and using the paper towel roll to hold it up because you don't want this to be leaning. You want it to be as straight as possible because this is what will tear your paper towels. And here is our paper towel holder completed. I really love how this came out, you guys. It is so adorable. And like, I'm really proud of making this. I have been wanting something a lot more sturdy, and using the cement will help the paper towel holder to not tilt, because sometimes, you know, when you guys are tearing your paper towels, the paper towel holder will tilt over. Well, I don't have to worry about this any longer. It fits perfectly, and of course it adds a little bit of sparkle to our kitchen, and it is just so very handy. I am in love. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think. Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video. Make sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for notifications, and go follow me over on IG. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. Alright, I love you guys. Bye.